Okay. Hello. Barbara. Okay, what are we talking about today? My goodness. Well, this is called the rough layout of the machining center. You can say it's maybe a Pakistan style. They're very creative people, by the way, and I learned a lot from watching their videos on how to do it. So we have here a gear reduction unit, a very beautiful piece. Spindle head, yahoo! So that'll join that with a motor. This fellow is a monster. Universal indexing head. That thing is huge, along with this compound. Came off a monster lathe, I guess. I used a fork, not the forklift, but the crane over there to lift all these components up on the table, except for this. I could get it up okay. So it's in progress, let's say. It'll take a while, but just have an idea to do something to eat metal. Although I got these lathes and things, I'm just having fun learning. It's quite a monster, this thing. It is a Cincinnati. You can see that. Cincinnati. Just got to clean off some goo here. It's been sitting around for a while. Where did I get that guy? I think it's the same guy in Chicago. He's a lot of fun to buy stuff from. Let's just clean this up a little bit, huh? Well, nothing much. Let's see. Cincinnati, the Cincinnati Milling Machine Company, Cincinnati, Ohio. Well, smell of steel and people going crazy, I guess. All graduated, totally complete. Ready to be actually put on a milling machine, but I got other ideas with this thing. And here's your separators right here. Nice brass things. Right here and here. They need cleaning. And of course, your where you want to index to. Nice, what is that? About 10-inch, 12-inch chuck. This fellow's a very big piece off of something. Some kind of lathe. Let's walk around here. This one was $100 only, free shipping. Siga Machine Tool Company Ltd, Japan. Very heavy piece. Nothing wrong with it. I don't know why they want to get rid of it. Checked it out and they say okay. And over here, this beautiful reduction gear system. Good score from that fellow in Chicago. Over here, I did this yesterday. Building this lathe, this over here. It's all complete. The only thing I gotta do is just drill holes, a few holes to mount things on. It's tight. Using a couple of I-beams and a flat plate underneath. And this will be bolted to a flat plate variable. As well as that. And that's already on its plate. Came in the mail today. And that as well. So, doing that. Building a power supply for the surface grinder because it's very old. So I'm going to use a bridge rectifier and a choke and a capacitor. Nice clean direct current to the magnetic chuck, they call them. On we go on to this fellow works fine. I made some parts for the South Bend lathe shaper with this fellow. Very nice little tiny lathe. Different angle. That's a, oh, over there, that's a radio transceiver off a warship. Very heavy, it's about 300 pounds or something, 400. Okay, what else have I been doing? So busy, just having fun. My design to lift things off things. This guy's almost done. Another lathe. And again, I mentioned this guy's finished, restored. In the last year, I've done a hell of a lot of different things. Let's see. What was it I got to do? I'm thinking of mounting the Oerlikon cannon mount. I got a bunch of them, by the way. This fellow here, meant for other things, but it's an Oerlikon cannon mount. I get a round plate, same size as the plates bolted onto this piece of plywood, actually. And I'm thinking of mounting a plate, which won't be too costly. I'm going to show you. The Oerlikon cannon is roughly 800 pounds of all that's stuck on it. Cargo container holders. To bridge that, a round plate with two pieces that fit into those slots up there. All the weight will be on that, which normally is with cargo containers being bolted together, stacked on one another. I could use those 2 points there, put the plate on there, and have it bolted down very safely. It should hold many tons, but only 800 pounds. Cannon itself is 150 pounds. This mount is probably 200. These shields are, I'd have to say 150 each. Very heavy. So we're getting up there, and we got this mount too, but I'm going to use one of these bronze mounts. Got a whole pile of them. And I'm going to put a Mark 14 gun sight with air supply, which is here, and I got a whole pile of gun sights. Make a hell of a display piece, so that's my thoughts on that. I'm not sure what goes inside of a cargo container in those holes at the end, but it would hold a plate like this. Get a duplicate plate made. It'll fit on top and then the fitting parts, and it should be a-okay. So that's what I did today now for a shower.